Today I'm going to teach you how to cook mixed seafoods at home. So isi-shout out ko lang si Mr. Nakagawa-san from Japan. So thank you for watching my video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. And this is my ingredients. The butter, ginger, onion, bell pepper, black pepper, and then the garlic, then the green chili. So I removed the seeds para hindi masyadong maanghang. And then the leeks, I cut it into 2 portions. This is the first portion. And then this is the second one, so I cut it very thin. This is for the toppings later. Then this is the crab paste. You can use any brand. And then this is the fish sauce, and then sweet chili sauce, any brand also. And then this is the crab, so you're going to remove the head or the cover of the crab para manuot yung sarap ng gagawin nating sauce later. So this is the mussels or the tahong, then the shrimp. So please strain it properly. And then put oil. Then we are going to fry the crab. So, why I'm going to fry the crab? Kasi yung seafoods, kusang nagtutubig yan pag niluluto or pag hindi mo siya na-drain maigi. So, kailangan i-fry natin siya para kumapit yung masarap na sauce na gagawin natin later. So, ayan, i-fry lang natin siya. And another tip nga pala, pagka-bili nyo ng seafoods or ng crab, kailangan na siyang maluto, and then you put a pinch of salt. Kailangan na siyang maluto kasi papayat yung crab, so mawawala yung aligi niya, mamamayat na siya, so hindi na siya ganun kataba pag kinain. Unlike na pagka bili mo pa lang, pagka uwi mo, lutuin mo na kagad siya. Kahit hindi mo pa siya lulutuin talagang ganito sa ginagawa natin ngayon, kahit i-steam mo lang siya tapos ilagay mo siya sa ref, kung sa ibang araw mo pa siya lulutuin, 2 to 3 days ganun pwede siyang tumagal sa ref nyo. So ayan, i-fry lang natin yan. So flip it up. So, baliktarin lang natin para yung other part naman yung maluto. So, important talaga yan guys na prituhin talaga natin. Kasi pag hindi mo yung prinito, medyo mamamasa-masa yan eh. Tapos magtutubig siya. Tapos, hindi masyado kakapit yung sauce natin later. Unlike pag prinito mo siya, mamaya kapit na kapit talaga yung masarap na sauce natin later. And then I also fry the cover of the crab or the head. So ayan yung aligi or the crab fat. So the Japanese don't eat the crab fat. Wow! So that's the alligator. That's my favorite part of the crab. So Japanese don't eat crab fat because they are very conservative to their health. So ayaw nila yan guys. Tinatanggal nila. Kasi nung nasa Japan pa ako, pag bumibili kami sa supermarket, wala na yung aligi. So, di ba tayong mga Pinoy, yan yung hinahanap natin, yung aligi talaga. Ayan, so baliktarin lang natin ulit. But Japanese too na talagang favorite din nila yung seafoods, no? Mahilig din sila sa seafoods, lalo na sa shrimp. So shoutout ko lang din si Okudi-sang, saka si Nanbu-sang, and then Kinoshita-sang. So favorite nila yung buttered shrimp ko. So thank you for liking my dishes. Then this mussels or yung tahong natin. So pag nag-open na yung tahong, ayun, luto na siya. Fry lang natin konti. Tapos little salt. And then we will just set aside, just like the crab, we just set aside. And then the remaining sauce, you can put it later. So open na yung tahong. So luto na yan. And then now we're going to do the sauce of the crab. Just melt the butter. And then now we were going to put the ginger. Then mix it. Now we put the garlic. And then just mix it very well. Make it a little brown. Then our onion. Now the red bell pepper. So if you have green bell pepper, it's okay. And then now the leeks or the negides. And then now we put the crab paste or the crab fat. So you can use any brand. You can see it in the supermarket. And then you put a little water, 1/2 cup of hot water. Then our black pepper. And then our sugar. Now we are going to put our shrimp. So when we put the shrimp, kailangan low heat only because didikit yung balat sa laman. So mahirap siyang balatan. Yan yung tips for in cooking shrimp. kahit na ano pong shrimp, kahit na anong recipe ng shrimp, kailangan hindi malakas yung apoy kasi didikit yung balat sa laman. Mahirap siyang balatan. So, kung gusto niyo na madali lang siyang balatan, so, kailangan low heat lang pag nagluluto ng hipon. And then, cover it for 5 minutes. Now, we are going to put the crab, yung frinay natin before. And then we are just going to mix it very carefully. And then the mussels or the tahong. Now we put the 1 small bottle of sweet chili sauce. And then I'm going to put the fish sauce or yung patis. So 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Yes, and then we are going to mix it again. Then cover it for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to put now the green chili. And cover it for 3 minutes. Yes. And now you can see it's already cooked. At ayan na po ang ating mixed seafoods na hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa sa restaurant para makakain ng masarap na putahing ito. So, you must try this, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos and hit the bell button para like ang updated sa aking masasarap na videos. So, domo arigato gozaimashita. Mr. Nakagawa-san for watching my videos.